Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here you'll find videos that will help you to make money on the internet and start your online journey. We'll cover topics like affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, blogging, etc. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and keep on watching our videos for more helpful insights. We will also do this for you. Every time we release a video, we post a giveaway on YouTube where we give away some paid courses that cost hundreds of dollars for free for you guys. This allows us to keep doing what we're doing, and it gives you guys a free course that will actually help you out in your business. All you have to do is watch the video, subscribe, and like the video, then write in the comment section, "I want access to the giveaway," and we will choose randomly 5 winners. Now let's jump to today's video. The first thing we're going to do is go to Google and search for offervault.com. Now register to new account if you don't already have one. Then go back to login and enter your email and password. Now that you landed on the dashboard, you can choose what to promote by searching or by filtering, networks, categories and countries. There is a lot of money to be made here, just follow along. I would recommend you to choose from categories. You can choose whatever you want. I'll choose email submit. Now select an offer to run. Keep in mind that to promote an offer in OfferVault, you have to apply for it first. The second site is called CPA. First things first, sign up for new account or login if you already have one. This is the interface of the website. Click on Offers. Choose an offer and click on it. Once you click on the offer, you'll be able to copy your affiliate link. Make sure to save it. You'll need it later. One more thing to do, and you're ready to make your first cash online. Go to canva.com and make the magic happen. Click on Create a Design or type on the search bar YouTube Shorts. Choose a template to edit or create a new one. I'll just create a new one. This is where we'll make our YouTube short video. First, we'll look for a picture that matches what we are promoting. In my case, I'll look for gift card pictures. Make sure to click on Tools and choose Creative Commons so your video won't get banned for copyright claims. Select a picture and download it. Go back to Canva and upload it. Start making your video by drag and drop. You can add anything you want and play with the settings, such as text fonts and the colors, etc. The process takes little bit of time. I'll just skip to end of it to save you some time. Now that I finished editing the video, this is how it looks. All we have to do now is download the video and go to YouTube. Click Upload the video and select your video. Choose your title and don't forget to put #shorts. Now go to the description and paste the link you copied earlier. I think the link looks ugly. Right. I'll just shorten it by going to bit.ly.com. Just paste it and click Shorten and copy it again. Go back to your video description. Delete your ugly link and paste the new awesome shortened link. click on Publish and wait for your commissions. It's that simple. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to win our giveaway course. Thanks for watching.